We just can't be putting water and expecting our hair to go down. No, you gotta do all the steps possible to get that crap slayed. And that's on what? That's on period.
My bricks like a chimney. Got a stiffy. I got connection to something like Wi-Fi. Said it wrong, but you read me.
Brought to you live on my dusty camera. So I filmed the intro, right? But I didn't like the intro because the quality was bootlegged, and this quality is not any better. But basically, this video is just gonna go right into the point. So don't forget to hit that like, comment, subscribe button. I'm doing a 2-part video to these puffs videos. I'm gonna be doing space buns, and in this video I'm doing a swoop and 2 puffs. So hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to follow my social medias. I have a hair page. Her hair is fire. My main page is Slave Samarra. Follow me on TikTok, Slave Samarra, and follow me on Snapchat, livedream_exo, and you can find all the rest of my socials in the description box down below. Okay, let's get into the video. I really hope this quality don't look bad, but if it does, I'm sorry, guys. I'm about to show y'all what my hair looks like right now. I left my hair twisted all week. I left it in these little chunky twists, and then I took it out just yesterday to do a little puff so I can record a video. And now it's just like this. Let me give y'all a length check, because I swear on my top knot video people be saying I'm bald. And speak again. I'm about to split my hair down in the middle in 2. I just made a straight part down the back of my hair, so from the middle and the back. Now I'm gonna focus on making a part so that I can grab some hair from this side and bring it over to that side. So now I've pinned, what did I say?
Negative part.
I pinned away the hair that I'm gonna put in the soup later. Now I'm gonna start off with this side and put it up in a puff basically. But like, as you guys seen every natural hair video, I have my pick, like my baby. I'm just gonna pick out my hair. As you can tell, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I already have some leftover gel in my hair that's kind of keeping my hair up. That's why my hair is so levitated right now. When I apply the gel for my 2 puffs, I apply it around the front, and I also apply it down the middle so that when you're pulling it to the side, it makes your part looks even more crisp, okay? Now I'm gonna repeat with the other side. Alright y'all, so I finished with my 2 puffs. Now it's time to work on the actual swoop. So my thing is, with this swoop, I recommend using 2 basis. I mean, I recommend using like a hard, I don't know what it's called, a hard wax, gel, whatever. So for example, Murray's Beeswax. If you have kinky hair like me, you want something hard on your hair so that it keeps it down and molded basically. And then you go in with your gel to give it a little bit more shine and then give it a little bit more hold on your hair. But the thing is, with me, I only got Equal today. I don't have Mary's beeswax today. I ran out. If you wanted to stay down, stretch out the hair. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna stretch out everything leading up to here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna apply the gel right over it. And prepare to have a lot of gel on this part of your hair. Now, you see, this is why I don't recommend only using like a gel, because it'll curl up your hair. But now you just want to brush basically. And I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush so that I can get the shape of the swoop I want. To keep the hair down or whatnot, you can go in with bobby pins, a pin, or whatnot, whatever you want. Or some people even put it back into their puff. But I'm gonna go in with this clip and just clip it to the back of my hair. And then, as you see, I have some left over, so I'm just gonna wrap it around the pin so that that's not there. And then go back to the swoop and fix it. Okay, and now I'm gonna do edges, but I'm only gonna do it on this side because that's the side people are really gonna see. I mean, you can't really do edges on this side. So I got the swoop to the place where I want it, and I got my edges down. Now I'm going to tie it down as quick as possible, because if we leave it out for too long without holding it down with a scarf, then we 4-type girls know that it ain't gonna stay. I'll get back to y'all in like 5 minutes after me keeping it down. We're back, and yes, I came back with my lips glossed up and with my earrings on, because you know we ain't going nowhere, and I just feel like getting cute for myself at home makes me feel very productive. I'm gonna show y'all the final product. So we're gonna take off this scarf. I'm feeling like I did too much. Yo, that song from TikTok is stuck in my head, guys. If you haven't followed my TikTok, you should. I'm gonna start getting active on it. My TikTok is the same as my YouTube, which is Slay with Samarra. Okay, y'all ready? Oh my god, this came out so much better than I expected it to. Oh! Yeah, this is the final product. I am so geeked. Like, I don't think you guys understand how geeked I am right now, because this came out so much better than I expected it to. Let me give y'all a close-up. Who you know on YouTube gave you a good hair tutorial like this for 4-type hair? I'll freaking wait. The final product. I really hope this video helped y'all out. If it did, comment down below. If you're thinking of doing this hairstyle while you're quarantined at home just to look cute, or try it out before you go back to school, if we even have school, let me know in the comment section below. And also comment down below any other videos you want to see in the future. Y'all, I'm so geeked. I'm so geeked because this looks so cute, and I'm not going to take it out now. So yeah, like I said in the beginning of the video, don't forget to hit that like, comment, subscribe video. Go watch my other hair videos. I will be putting a hair playlist, all my hair videos in a playlist in the description box down below also. And go follow my social medias, my Instagram at Slay with Samarra, my other Instagram at Her Hair Is Fi, my TikTok at Slay with Samarra, and my Snapchat at LiveDream_X School. Those are the main ones I use. So go check those out. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.
I ain't tripping about no bitch, no, I ain't crashing about no hoe. Bet I rock out with these glizzy like I rock out in the